So we will learn how to write in the roster form. The three directions are given to us. The set of prime number less than 15. The set of, we have to make the set. I will consider this is a set A. Mark the braces, and set of prime number. Prime number start from 2. So my first member is 2. After that 3. After that 5. After that 7. After that 11 and 13, and after that 17. But 17 is more than 15, and we have to write just less than 15. So I will mark the braces and close the set. So this is my required answer. Now the second direction is the set of colors in the rainbow. You know how many colors are there in the rainbow? 7. So you will have to write all the color names here. I will mark this at B and the braces symbol. After that, the first color is violet. After that, indigo. Then blue. After that, green. Then yellow. Orange and red. After that, I will mark the braces, and this is my complete answer. So the set of the colors in the rainbow is this. I named it B. Now the set of letters in the word remember. Now I have to make the set of the letters of this word. As we know, in the set, every member comes only once. So I will name the set as per the given rule, some capital English alphabet C. Now the first number is, the first letter is R. After that E, then M. The E is repeating, so therefore I will not consider this, and M is also repeating, I will not consider this. The B is first time, therefore I will write B, and E is again, and B is also there repeating. So my required collection for the letter of the word remember is REMB only. In this way we can make the set and write them in roster form. Student, when you write the set in the roster form, it doesn't matter that where are you writing any member. You write it at first, second, third, or any other places as per your will. So if you write this set just like this, that 3, 5, 11, 2, 13, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, then your answer is also correct. And here you will see, if you write like this, E, B, R and M, then your answer is also correct. What is the meaning of this one? Now we come to know that order of writing the member in the roster form doesn't matter, but it matters that every member should come only one time, and there should be no repetition of any member in the set in the roster form. Here you will see that in this black box and the green ink, the direction is given that you have to make the set of even number, those are less than 100. Now if you start the even number, then it will start from 2 if they are non-zero. Then the first even number is 2, after that 4, and then 6, after that 8, 10, 12, 14, and there are so many even numbers. Okay, but it is not possible to write all the even numbers, and you, in this condition, you will have to go to the last one. Which one is the last one? Last one is less than 100. Then before 100, what even number you will notice? That is 98. Therefore, the last element or the last member of your set will be 98, and the first will be 2, after that 4, and after that 6. So, in where you have to face the so many numbers, they are those are very large in the counting, or their counting is very much more, then you have to adopt a way that I am going to tell you. That first of all you will write the set. Say this is the set D, and you will mark the brackets. So now the first even number is 2, after that 4, after that 6. You need to write only 3 to 4 members of that element, that set, and after that mark comma, and you have to mark 3 dots. Remember, only 3 dots. And after that you will write the last element. What is the last element? That is 98. Clear? So in this way you can write where the element or the member of the set are very large quantity in their terms. Okay, so if you are going to write all the members, then it will require a lot of space. So we will not adopt that method, and we will squeeze the representation of the set by adding the 3 dots after at the beginning, and writing 3 to 4 elements, and writing the last one after the 3 dots. Clear? Now another question may be asked, that if the member in the set are not ending, then how we will write that set? So the example of that type of is this: write the set of the integer less than -5. Now we have to write the integer less than -5. This is the -5, and the all the integer those are negative, and on the left hand side of -5 are we are going to write in the set. But it is not possible to write all the sets. Therefore what we will do, the first one is less than -5. So less than -5 is 6, after that -7, then -8, and then we have to write only 3 dot, and close the set by marking the bracket and give the name. Say this set is F. Okay, in this way we have to write the uncountable set, or the set which have the so many members in their roster form. Here in these type of questions we will use the 3 dots. 3 dots represent the continuation of the members of the set. So here in this video you have learned that how to write the set in the roster form, and the uses of 3 dots in the roster form. Thank you.